For as long as I can remember, I always thought my nose was too big.
But what she saw for decades, gone in minutes. No bandages, no bruises, no recovery time. It can take weeks to recover from plastic surgery.
You know, I'm a busy person. I want to get out and about.
How about 5 minutes for a new nose? A new face during a lunch hour, and still enough time to eat your entire lunch as well. The surgery-free procedure now available here in the Valley. Only on Fox, the latest statistics available reveal that were nearly 11 million cosmetic surgeries that were performed in the United States in 2006.
Tummy tucks, breast augmentations, facelifts. It seems like we all know at least one person who's gone under the knife. Now a Chandler cosmetic surgeon is helping his patients change the way their nose looks without the knife. And you can have the procedure done during your lunch break.
For as long as I can remember, I always thought my nose was too big.
But every time Victoria Schreiner thought about having her nose reduced surgically, she thought again.
When you see somebody who's had an actual nose job done where, you know, before you know it, they have bandages and their eyes are, you know, black and blue, and you can't go anywhere for a few weeks. I can't do that. I'm a busy person. I want to get out and about.
So why is Schreiner in a doctor's office posing for before pictures? She's about to undergo a procedure that's fairly new in Arizona. And with women on the go like Schreiner in mind, it's going to take less than 5 minutes.
The procedure is called non-surgical nose reshaping.
Dr. Edgardo Zavala runs the Ciao Medical Spa in Chandler. He says the days of bruising, swelling, and long recovery from cosmetic surgery are going the way of the dinosaur.
Cosmetic surgery is gearing towards becoming less and less invasive, less and less expensive, hopefully also, and more affordable for everybody.
Zavala says the procedure won't actually make Schreiner's nose smaller, but it will make her nose appear to be smaller.
In her case, it's going to be a very simple thing. We just raise the tip of the nose, and that will straighten the nose and make it look smaller and nicer. And that's exactly what was she looking for. If we just lift the tip, this distance is going to become much less significant, and her nose is going to look much more straight and much less prominent.
First up, a numbing medication is injected into the base of the patient's nose. Then, using a flexible tube with a blunt needle on the end, the doctor injects a filler called PMMA.
These are little microparticles that create a reaction in the body to form collagen around them. So you end up getting your own collagen as a new frame for the new shape of the nose. We go into the area that has to be remodeled, push in the substance that we're using, and then pretty much shape the nose into the shape we want.
The procedure was developed by a Brazilian doctor, and it can be used to reshape pretty much any part of the human body in addition to the nose. Chins, under the eyes, hands, deep scars, even
in areas as controversial as penile enlargement, for example, when patients want to increase the girth of their penis for whatever reasons, and the results are pretty good in that area also.
And then in about the same time it takes for you to watch this story,
done.
Even our photographer is caught by surprise.
That was it? That's it, we're done.
The patient seemed just as surprised, and she was happy with what she saw in the mirror.
Looks smaller.
There you go. How you like it?
I like it.
Told you it wasn't going to be more than 2 minutes.
That is amazing. It looks smaller.
That's what you wanted, right?
Yes. It feels funny, but it's numb, but it looks smaller.
Taking a look at our own before and after confirms what Victoria was thinking. Her nose does appear smaller, with no invasive surgery or long recovery needed. But there were even some unintended benefits.
I feel like I can breathe better.
A non-surgical nose reshaping can run about $1,000, and Dr. Zavala says it should last a lifetime.